What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can delete or remove a sales channel from your Shopify shop. So as you can see, I am right now logged into my back end of the Shopify store and I'm on the home page right now. And in order to remove the Shopify sales channel, we just need to scroll down a bit, and let's say we would like to remove Facebook shop, which has already been discontinued. So in order to remove these, I'm just gonna click on this small plus icon, and from here we can find manage sales channel. Click on it. From here, select your Facebook shop and you can click remove. Check I understand the risk of installing this sales channel, and you can add any reason to remove it, or you can keep it blank. Click on remove Facebook shop. That's it guys, so the channel has been removed from my shop, and I hope you have found this video helpful. If yes, do give a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Bye bye, take care.